Hello, everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful day today. And let's dive into some analysis. Hope you guys made some really good trades as well. And looks like finally our GameStop level was hit. And wow, what do you know? We got a beautiful reaction out of it. We entered in and we got a nice reversal, right? And I think we filled this gap here that we created on GameStop. And it looks like it wanted to continue to reverse, but it was a very tough day across the board for the market. I mean, just look at the Russell 2000 collapsing in on itself. The Nasdaq also dropping extremely hard. The S&P, the Dow Jones. I mean, I could go on. I could go on, right? Just like all these indexes are imploding on themselves, and GameStop managed to eke out, only down 2.995%. I think AMC was also down, but AMC really needs to hold this pivot. If it doesn't hold this pivot, then it's done, right? And so now you gotta AMC. You also have a 1-2-1-2 setup, and so this should also go higher. But it needs to hold the pivot. It needs to hold the pivot, and same thing for GameStop. The GameStop needs to hold this pivot down here at 1781. Now I'm not even in my long yet, right? And the reason I'm not in my long on GameStop, and you guys are probably wondering why this guy's been talking about his buy area for so long. I'm waiting for market conditions to be favorable because I still see more downside on the Nasdaq. I still see more downside on the S&P and the Russell 2000. And again, that can, the broader indices start to sell off. You're going to see GameStop go down as well. And we also have this gap fill down here right around 1968. So again, that's going to be a nice buy area for me, in my opinion, if we can get to these levels. So I'm going to be patient with my GameStop, trade that I will enter, and I'll let you guys know when I enter it. But I just don't see a low forming yet. I see a lot of manipulation. I see a lot of selling coming into GameStop here. Daily time frame also looks like it wants to go a little bit lower on Market Cipher. I know, I could enter in now and ladder in, but that's just not the way I trade. I wait for confirmation and signals to come, and when they do, then that's when I'm going to pull the trigger on it. Let's take a look at Market Cipher. Wave Edge on the daily time frame here. So nothing here on the daily time frame. 12-hour, 8-hour, 6-hour, nothing. 4-hour, nothing. 3-hour, 1 hour, not really anything here. You got a green cross on the 1 hour. 30-minute and 45-minute. I don't see any significant massive amount of buying here. Let's check the smaller time frames. No, nothing on the 12-minute. So okay, a little bit on the 15-minute, but again, like I said, we got. Let me see. I should have 15 down here. Oh wow. Excuse me, I'm burping. We actually saw a good amount of buying here after we hit the buy area. So nice price reaction, but it doesn't mean that we can't go deeper into the buy area. And I think we will go deeper into it. It will sort of fade, and once the low is in, we're gonna get the spring higher. It's gonna be a big candle, very impulsive in the next few days, and then we should continue to rally up after that. But obviously, markets need to hold up until then. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I wasn't gonna do a video today on GameStop, but I decided to do it for you guys because I know you guys really like the GME videos, so I will continue to do them for you all. And once we get to a good point that I think it's worth longing, maybe we'll even do some call options inside the Discord. So have a wonderful evening, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.